Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and download an app called Repost for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner of your picture. Then choose Share To and tap on Repost app. Now go back to it. Pick one of the options and tap on the photo. Click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!